Yeah, what up? So, just a quick little mail call from the Whatnots. And one quick thing that I did pick up on my way to work on Sunday. New Villains set, Fast and Furious. And, well, I got the last remaining one that was left there. The 2022 DeLorean Alpha 5. This is Cypher's car in Fast X towards the beginning of the movie. She pulls up to Dom's house after Dante had taken out all her people, and she came to warn him or whatever it was. Anyways, let's it's gonna be just two cars in here, one of which we will go ahead and open up. So this got off of Whatnot last week. Both premiums. One is from a set that didn't really see around here. Like two of the Walmarts kind of out of town got the wave in, but I only ever saw the two peg warmers from that set that are still on the pegs. That's one of them, anyways. Anyways, let's get into it. Alrighty, but it's kind of very loose in there. And wow, no packing slip. Interesting. So, anywho, this was the Boulevard Wave that I never saw at my own Walmart, or the other one that I sometimes go to on fairly often. But at one of the other Walmarts nearby, I got a bunch of these, and one of these still chilling there. So I never saw this set really at all. So I went ahead and got one off of Whatnot. And yeah, this is the main one I wanted from that set right there. The Fluffy Bus, the 67 Volkswagen Samba Bus. Gabriel Iglesias, Fluffy. So yeah, if you didn't know, that's what this is right here. This is based off of his vehicle. It's got treads on there. I did end up paying a little more than retail on this. Fluffy on the license plate there. But the guy you ended up outbidding somebody at the last minute. Got it for 11. So I did pay a little above, but I later Googled it and the resale on that. Just a little under what the resale is on there, like the average, anyways. So cool to have this now. Awesome. And then the other thing, since I didn't want to just get one thing, I went ahead and got a second item. This one I only got for $4 from an old race day set. 94 AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car. And there's something inside of there. So this is from 2022. So not too old, just a couple years ago. Okay, yeah, it's the one that had that purple Porsche 935 in it. Alright, but anyways, this one, we're going to open this one up. Nice. It's on the slicks. Not a whole lot of detail on the bottom there. Yeah. Nice. plastic for the wing part right there. But I even got the roll cage in there. That's cool. Yeah, AGIP. Not sure what that is. Number 5. All right, not bad. Yep. So yeah, this one I only got for $4. Ooh, nice little smooth rolly roll on there. Cool, cool. So, but yeah, pick these two up over whatnot. But yeah, you gotta be careful with that thing because gotta show yourself a little self control on that thing. So yeah, just a quick little one for this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.